Hi, beautiful people. Welcome back to my kitchen. This is OyoyoKitchen family. Hi, guys. How are you doing? It's been a while, long time, everyone. This is food I made for Sunday. A very simple recipe for catfish pepper soup with white rice. Have you ever tried eating catfish pepper soup with white rice? How do you feel about it? How do you see it? Do you like it? Trust me, it's a very healthy meal at this point because of my condition. I'm asked to eat a lot of fish. So I told my mother was like, what kind of vegetable sauce should we make? I said, no, I have vegetable sauce. I want to eat catfish pepper soup and white rice for Sunday. So this is how I made it in my kitchen. This is me washing the catfish with hot water. After hot washing it, this is me trying to clean up the sink, the lime sliminess in my sink so it doesn't block it. So this is second time I'm pouring the second hot water on it. I pour the first one, then I clean it up well and I throw away the water. The second one I pour it, then I now use my knife to scrape away all the slimy on the fish. That is how I wash my catfish. This is me washing the catfish. So after washing it, I have to use another clean water to wash it. Guys, have you tried catfish with white rice before? If you haven't done this kind of recipe, if you haven't tried it is a banger. I'm telling you, it is very nice, very sweet, very healthy, very delicious. Trust me, I made this at home and with very easy recipe. Very, very easy. I didn't use much things to do it. This is me cleaning it up. This is me washing it with another clean water, trying to wash away all the slimy and me washing away my this thing. This is me after washing. I now use soap to wash up my. You know how fresh fish smell, how catfish smells on the hand. So I need to use soap to wash my hand so that that smell will not be there. So this is me adding onions. I added onions to this inside the water I pour. I added two stock cube. This is me how I'm making the fish. So now I'm adding pepper soup spice. I added 1 teaspoon. I added my crayfish. This is crayfish. It's two sachets. I added two of it. And this is me now trying to add everything here. I added my fresh pepper, everything. This is me adding Benny. After I added it, I put it on the fire. Trust me, I didn't put much water. Water I put on that pot is like half pot of that water. So I put it on the fire and I will allow it to cook. Yes, I'm not going to add the fish at this point. No, at all. I'm not adding the fish at this point. I'll only add everything I need to add and put the water on fire to. So on the other side, this is me getting a pot for my white rice to boil the white rice, and this is me filling the pot with water. Okay, at the same time. This is me trying to check on the gas so that I can be able to cook the two. Use one bed to use one. How did they say? Use one what to kill two things. So I'm cooking the rice and making the pepper soup at the same time. Yes, this is me adding it. My husband in the kitchen, we are discussing on something. So he will enter, he will go. So this is me washing my rice with salt. I added salt to it, then I have to wash it. When I wash, I will sieve it up. I wash it until the water turns white. Yes, because your rice, if you didn't use hot water to boil it, to soak it, or to parboil it, you need to wash it with salt very well to make sure all the starch goes out. And this is me washing it. After washing it, I want to pour it inside my sieve. Yeah, so that all the water will drain off. And before when the water for the rice get boiled, I'm going to be pouring it inside a pot for it to cook. If you watch the way I cook my white rice, I don't cook my white rice to dry with the water. No, I don't do that. I boil my white rice. Yes, whenever I boil it, I'll make sure that there's water on it, even when it is soft and done. Then I can equally sieve it out. Yes, by so doing, if you cook your white rice in that manner, cook your rice without it drying with the water. Let there be water in the white rice. When the rice is soft, then you sieve it with your filter or your sieve. Trust me, when you do it in that way, your rice will remain single, 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 not being as if it's yam. Some people doesn't know how to cook white rice. When they cook their white rice, it looks as if the rice is yam. When you're eating rice, instead of rice to scatter, rice will be on a heap. No, I don't cook that way. So this is me now here the remaining onions I have left, and I'm trying to cut the scent leaf. This is the leaf we'll be using for the pepper soup. Scent leaf, yeah, it is called nchao in Igbo language, and in English it is called scent leaf. This is a medicinal leaf. This leaf is something you will never you will never forget to put in your fish pepper soup or any pepper soup at all you want to cook. Yeah, if you don't have scent leaf where you are, you can use parsley. You can use parsley leaf. Yeah, you can use parsley leaf. That one too goes well. So this is me pouring in the rice inside the water after the water has boiled. So I pour it, and this is the other side of me. This is the catfish water. It started boiling. Now I added my fish. This is me adding the fish. After adding it, I cover it and allow it to cook. Then this is me trying to check the rice if it has softened. You can see there's still water. It hasn't softened, and this is the fish on the other side cooking. At this point, the aroma in this kitchen is something you can't get over. Here, I added the many part of the onions and the scent leaf. The fish, trust me, at this point is actually ready. So all I did right was just to cover it for 2 minutes, and that is the end of the fish cooking. It is very nice, trust me. The aroma here at this point is something that you can't resist. Omo, look at the fish now. Can't you see catfish pepper soup and white rice? What do you think? Will you be trying the recipe? Let me know in the comment section. Don't forget to like, share, comment, and always that if it's your first time on my channel, please subscribe. God bless you. Thank you so much. Remain blessed. Have a good day. Bye bye. I love you all.